willing to sit in the driver's seat and willing to turn. He said, he probably got that off eBay, some chat line. Don't wind up on the flat line. Peace and love, family. It's your brother Isaiah tapping in and feeling myself, my soul St. Louis in the building. Hey, look, I just wanted to let y'all know that I had a webinar. This webinar is exclusive. Hey, it ain't none like it. It's one of my best works when it comes to dispute. I actually break it all the way down for you and show you the proper way to file a dispute against a financial institution or a non-financial institution. It's certain things and certain perks you got to know and making sure that you file the complaint with the right agency, because each one of these financial agencies have like different agents that's responsible for certain things. So when you filing these complaints concerning certain aspects of your relationship with that institution, you got to make sure that it's right. And not only that, you got to make sure that the financial institution that you filing a complaint on, that's the real name of that institution, because a lot of these banks is doing business under a DBA because it's really another entity doing business as a bank or something like that. So a lot of these things that a lot of people are not knowledgeable of. So I've actually provided this information on the webinar. I've actually show you where you actually go, how you research and how you seek out to find out which regulatory your bank is actually obligated under, so you can file your complaint with the right institution, because the FDIC only deals with certain financial institutions. International Credit Union only deals with certain financial institutions. Now, I take you straight to the source. I don't just tell you, I show you exactly where you need to go. So in this webinar, you will get that core information. I will show you exactly where you go, where you need to be at, how you file your complaint. We'll go over that with you and explaining everything to you as we read certain information pertaining to how the FDIC and the National Credit Union Association goes about doing certain things, and it's other aspects of how you can use this platform for other resources, and all that will be discussed in that webinar, man. You know how I said, don't cheat yourself, treat yourself to the right knowledge, man. I guess I'll catch you on the inside. And it's going for 55.55. And make sure you send your payment to the Cashapp. That's LADALELEWIS. That's Liddell Lewis with the number 4 for the foundation, right, on the Cashapp. If you're trying to get this purchase, make sure you send 55.55 and make sure you leave your email so we can return the same. Peace and love. I'm out of here.